Well, I guess it's a good thing I never got to episode 2 on this basement renovation. Otherwise, it would have all been for nothing. December 26th, 2020, the perfect end to the year, to be honest. I was washing my comforter, and all of a sudden I came down here to put in the dryer, and everything is soaked. Bathroom, laundry room. Here's the main culprit, that drain. Called my dad, and he's on his way here. So hopefully we can get it fixed. All my clothes that got soaked that were in there. Obviously there's all the studs from episode 1. But yeah, talk about a buzzkill for Christmas. Got over here too, obviously. Not as bad. Most of these cans are wet, all that wood's wet. But it'd be like that sometimes, I guess. What a lame way to start the afternoon. All this drywall's probably damaged and unusable. We were saving it for all the other parts of here that need it. So much for that. Yep. Guess it's just back to the drawing board to figure out what's next. Good thing my dad's super smart and knows what to do. Because I sure as heck don't. But what are you going to do? Bar mitzvahs, right? Alright, well, fun little update for everybody on the basement series, which was going to be revamping soon. So hopefully we figure out what to do next. Alright, so thankfully when me and Dad renovated the house 3 years ago, we bought a snake for a drain problem we had then. Dad, tell the people what you're doing right now.
We're giving the pipes an enema.
We're trying to anyways. I called the plumber, they're supposedly coming. They're gonna give me a call whenever they're here or able to come. So Pops is doing that. I've made decent progress on most of the floor over here. Obviously still some wet spots. So I'm gonna keep vacuuming everything, try to get it cleaned up, and hopefully whatever Frank's doing in there is actually working. And then hopefully when the plumber gets here, he'll be able to tell us what happened and how to avoid it and stuff like that. So see ya. Alright, so as an update, when I first saw everything from the beginning of this video, it was about 3:30. It is now 11:45. We worked on this for about 2 hours, from like 4 to 6 really. And I've taken a break since then. I filled up this shop vac about 4 or 5 times, I'm not really sure. and it's gotten us to this point. Obviously, there's still a lot of squish. It's December 26th. I ended up canceling the plumber appointment because in the 2 hours since I made that initial call to them, I had not heard back. So I canceled it for today. I made it for tomorrow on the 27th. So they'll be here from anywhere from 11 to 1, and hopefully they can figure out what's going on in the drain area. Pops kept trying to snake it, and it wasn't really working well. Blue's upset because he can't be down here with me. But I'll probably vacuum and get this full one more time for the night, and then after that I'll be done. But yeah, so far in 2 hours, filled up I think that's 16 gallons, like I said, 4 or 5 times already, and it's made very good progress, so I'm very happy about that. Nothing seems to be too damaged. Some boxes obviously are wet. Some of the wood I had down here is wet and warped now. Probably, like I said earlier, all this drywall is unusable, but things could be a lot worse. So I'm happy about that, that they're not worse. But like I said, I'll run the vacuum one more time and see you guys in the morning. All right, so I met with the plumber, and good news, bad news. It's a fixable problem. That's the good news. The bad news is it's gonna be about $3,500 to get fixed. What the issue is your plumbing is supposed to lay at a 1/8 inch pitch in order to get all debris down your drains and out. Just due to how old my house is and everything like that, my pipes have gotten pretty much flattened out, so water is able to move through there no problem. Even some debris is still too. However, when it's massive amounts of water, like from my washer, which is what caused my initial flooding to take place, it'll get backed up and it'll cause the water to shoot out into my basement, which is what happened. So as you can see here, we are all marked out, and they're gonna come tomorrow and excavate all this to replace the piping. They're gonna dig about 10 feet down. They marked off gas lines, water lines, things like that, so that they don't hit it. And that's gonna be what has to get done to get this problem fixed. I'll probably record a little bit of footage of that for episode 3. This is where episode 2 is gonna end. A very tragic, unexpected episode, but you know, things could always be worse. So I'll just try to find the positives in things, in situations. So that's it for this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.